Hey yogis, thanks so much for tuning in again. Today I want to share with you a very quick, short and sweet guided meditation just for you to ground down, to arrive, to let go of whatever is going on right now in your head. So the most important thing for meditation is always to be comfortable and to take the time to get comfortable and to set everything up so you can stay there for a couple of minutes. So I lately really like meditating with my poncho on, so I'm going to put that on now. So I'm cozy and comfortable as well. You can also throw a blanket over you or put a sweatshirt on or something. Just whatever you need to do to be comfortable. And sit nice and tall. You can sit on the ground, you can sit on a cushion, on a pillow, a couch pillow, or even on a chair. Just sit in a way that you can sit nice and tall and you can align the shoulders and the head in one line over the hips. Place your hands wherever it's comfortable, on your knees, on your thighs, or maybe in your lap. I like to tuck them under my poncho or your blanket. So do that too. Take the time to get comfortable. Maybe pause the video if you need to get any pillows or anything. Then we'll start. Just seated, close your eyes. First, feel the body, how it's sitting on the ground or on a chair or on your pillow. Just feel the surface. Feel the weight on your body, the weight of your body on the ground. From there, move through the spine upwards. Feel the lower back, the belly, the chest, the mid and upper back. Feel the shoulders. Relax them down away from the ears. Feel your face, your head, your tongue, maybe it's touching the roof of your mouth, all the way up to the crown of your head. Sit tall. Feel the breath, how you're breathing right now. Without controlling, without changing anything, feel how the air is coming in through the nose, the belly, the chest lifts and moves forward. Feel the exhale, how the warm and used air is leaving your body again. Just observe. Just keep the breath as it is, flowing in and out through the nose. But what I invite you to do is to count the breath. So you're counting an inhale and an exhale. So with your inhale you count in your head 1. On your exhale you count 1 as well. On your inhale you count 2. On your exhale count 2. Inhale for 3. And exhale for 3. Just keep going. So the inhale and exhale have the same number. Because one inhale and one exhale is one complete breath cycle. You count all the way up till 10 and then you start back with 1. Focus on the breath, inhale and exhale. And focus on counting in your head. Sit nice and tall. Relax the shoulders down. If thoughts arise and you get distracted, it's okay. It's all about noticing that you got distracted, noticing that the thoughts came up, noticing that you perhaps followed a thought for a few seconds or for a few minutes. It's all about that skill, noticing that and then coming back to the breath, redirecting your attention. So whenever you catch yourself with a thought, be proud of yourself for noticing it and then choose to come back to the breath, the sensation of the air coming in through the nose and out through the nose. Keep counting. Let's sit here for 1 more minute. Keep counting if you like. Or just feel the air coming in through the nose and out through the nose. All the attention, all the focus is on the breath. Sit tall, relax, enjoy. Be proud of yourself for taking the time to sit down and meditate. For sitting down and perhaps trying something new. There's never a bad meditation. The only bad meditation is the one that you did not do. That you skipped, that you procrastinated and then did not end up doing. But you're here, you're doing it. It's a great meditation. Start to draw your hands to the heart. Feel free to stay longer if you like. Thanks so much for joining me today. With love and gratitude, Namaste.